Melanin Pocket Camera YouTube University. This is the university for new content creators who are melanin, on a budget, and on the go, who wants to launch a YouTube channel now. If you already have an existing business, you need a YouTube channel. If you are your own personal brand, you need a YouTube channel. If you have a skill set that solves a problem, if you find yourself being the person that everyone goes to find a solution to a specific problem, you need a YouTube channel now. Not everyone has the funds, not everyone has the financial resources to go out and purchase expensive equipment. You don't need expensive equipment. Take it from a professional photographer and videographer. You do not need professional equipment to achieve a professional and crisp look. My focus for this university, as a college dropout, I wanted to create a safe, creative atmosphere and environment for melanin content creators as myself, who have always wanted to get on YouTube but don't know how to start. Now, just because you are a new channel does not mean that your new channel has to perform like an unseasoned one. You can create and launch and brand a monetizable YouTube channel all on your pocket camera, aka iPhone. I don't want you to wait. I want you to start now. Video visibility is key. I know that you have a passion. I know that you have something that helps others with a specific problem. And if you don't know what that passion is, in my university, I teach you and we go down step by step and break down your niche. So anyone can go on YouTube and look up tutorials and create a YouTube channel and launch it, but not everyone knows how to successfully set their YouTube channel up for success, to perform with great results. A huge factor in success when you do become a new YouTuber is mindset. And that's one of the focuses that we do in orientation as well as week 1. We break down your niche, we discover your niche, we discover your superpower, and we basically go in and work from the inside out. I don't want you to continuously pay people to do your intros every single month to quarter throughout the year. I don't want you to continuously have to struggle to try to figure out, why isn't my channel performing how I would like it to do so? Why isn't my channel performing how I would like? How come I haven't reached number 1 or between number 1 to 5 on the first page of the YouTube search results? Why am I not gaining subscribers? Why am I not getting a high score of SEO? What am I doing wrong? I show you that. I come in, not only do I teach you how to aesthetically brand your message, I teach you how to reach and impact others in the creative space by using strategies and tips that has been proven and tested by moi. And I would love to see you ladies in the university. Although my university is predominantly female, I open doors to all. I don't care the ethnicity, nationality, or the complexion of your skin. I welcome all. I just make sure to stress her Melanin Pocket Camera YouTube coach YouTube University, so that my melanin content creators know that this is a safe space, judgment free, for you to just be yourself, and this isn't a corporate environment. I recently just launched my website, so you can go on her Melanin Pocket Camera Coach.me. The reason why I wanted my website to be .me, since this is my 3rd website, I've always had .com. This website, I wanted it to be .me because all you need is you. God already gave you what you need, and that's you. You have it within yourself. So you can start now with what you have, and I just want that to be a reminder. When you punch in her pocket camera coach.me, you are all you need, and it starts with you. And if you don't have the money, if you don't have equipment, and if you're on a budget, we can get your YouTube channel launched and branded, and we can get you on the number 1 video in the YouTube search and build momentum for your newly branded and launched YouTube channel just on your pocket camera. One of the great things about the university is that not only do you learn how to edit, you learn how to do your own intro, you can actually begin to market yourself as the go-to person to create intros, which will be another stream of income for you. So you get to create intros, create outros, learn how to create your own channel banner art, learn how to do thumbnails like some of your popular YouTubers, but we also go in the back end of things and grind and work and strategize from the YouTube studio area. So we're working from the inside out to gain results so that you are basically catapulting yourself as a new YouTuber, but as a seasoned one. I'm super excited because a lot of my students have seen amazing results. When I text you, Jonna didn't even know that her video ended up as #1 on the YouTube search. And I seen Jonna's video, so what I did was I just typed in the title to just kind of double check, and your video was #1. I didn't know. I just randomly checked, and I was just like, oh, I was just like, yes. Revamping her whole page and changed it from Miss J Productions to Miss J Speaks Truth, because when you do land on your YouTube page, you want people to know what your page is about, just like a landing page for your website. We apply the same strategies and tips to YouTube.
Right.
And one last thing I wanted to say, congratulations on over 100 subscribers. I know that a lot of people, even when I first started, that's one of the biggest hurdles to overcome when you are a content creator from the start. It is a huge hurdle to overcome. So there's no such thing as small accomplishments at all, or small achievements. So congratulations on that and everything else.
What a lot of people focus on is the numbers, you know, and that's when people get discouraged.
I'm currently having an extended Black Friday sale. If you sign up for the university, you get 50% off of the tuition price. And if you sign up for my one-on-one VIP YouTube coaching package, which is where I work with you one-on-one, where we expedite your launch in 7 days, and I personally create your YouTube graphics for you, your intro, your outro, as well as 3 channel banner arts for yearly rotation. So if you are excited about that, you don't want to miss out. That extended Black Friday sale ends December 6th, and the university opens for class to start December 11th. So you don't want to miss out on those dates. The doors are open for enrollment right now, so make sure that you don't miss out. Because I'm very adamant about working meticulously with each and every student to make sure that I give them my undivided attention. I only take a limited amount of students, so there are only a limited amount of seats, and seats are really filling up really quickly, you guys. I've also had a couple people that were on the wait list because seats filled up quickly last time, so make sure that you jump on that. If you are ready to start your YouTube channel, you can create your own Vlogmas intro right now with no experience in the university. So make sure that you guys check that out. And what are you waiting for? I've always wanted to go to a historically Black college or university, so I wanted to create an online historically Black university for YouTubers who are melanin content creators on a budget, who wants to launch their YouTube channel but only have their iPhone, aka pocket camera. You're also going to learn how to strategize and how to optimize your videos and how to impact your subscribers in a positive and great way. So I look forward to seeing you, Boo Kitties, and I look forward to graduation. So let me know if you're going to be graduating with me. I would love to see you in the university. The link is going to be down below. Again, my Black Friday sale is extended until December 6th, and the class starts December 11th, which is when orientation starts, so you do not want to miss out. I'm only taking a limited amount of students. The day that I launched my new website was the day that I had to go back into my website and add As Seen on Fox, because I recently did a Fox interview. The day before Black Friday, I did a Fox interview, and it was released on Black Friday, the day of my launch, which is super exciting as one of the entrepreneurs to look out for in 2020. As a college dropout, my very first one-on-one student was a Harvard graduate. And these are the type of results that I want my students to see. As you can see here to the left, right here, this is me as #1. This is my students, Dell and Jazz TV, who are currently YouTubers and who are engaged, who I love so much. They ended up as #1. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the university. I look forward to seeing you guys in Her Melanin Pocket Camera YouTube University. I'm super excited to see you all during graduation for 2021. Make sure that you grab your seats. Now, the tuition is $111. It's $111. This is the original price. It's $111. Until December 6th, it's going to be $55. I am extending our Black Friday sale in the event that it is Vlogmas as a celebration, and also in celebration of my Fox interview, just a way to give back to you guys, because I really want to reach as many content creators as possible. Be your awesome self, and you have a superpower, and all we need to do is put that superpower in front of a pocket camera, because not everyone knows that you exist. So once people know that you exist, they'll need your superpower, and we only go up from there. So let's get to launching your YouTube channel with your pocket camera. Let's get to creating a stream of income. Let's get to creating multiple streams of income, but it starts with you and your pocket camera. So I'll see you guys on the other side of the pocket camera, and I look forward to seeing you for orientation on December 11th. So make sure that you guys sign up. Make sure that you grab those seats for 50% off, and I'll see you soon. Bye.